Good morning, everybody. All right, in this case, it's afternoon. But, all right, so today's video, actually, all right, so I'm trying to convince my wife. Y'all should convince her. Comment down below to get a car. Really don't want to say what it is. Honestly, it's all up to her if what she decides to get. Hopefully, it's what I want her to get, because it would be a nice add to this Charger here, you know, it also being black. So I think it's more like a metallic gray black Chrysler of some kind. So that's all I'm gonna say. But try to do me a favor and convince her to get this car. I really think it would be perfect for the channel too, and it's still really nice, and I could do a lot with it. But yeah, comment below, convince her to try to get this car. And but I also want her to have her own car as well. You know, I know she's been wanting one for a minute, and I really hope she decides to get one. She really wants to wait until this car is paid off, which should be soon, but at the same time, I really want her to have it now. That way she can do things she wants to do, you know, not always have to stay home because she doesn't have a car and stuff like that. So, you know, so try to convince her. But anyway, today's video, we're going to be doing this, the battery change out on the key remote, because it's starting to die. I realized it a couple of days ago, and I've been taking it out and messing with it and putting it back in to really get the power all the way down before I actually chunk it. But it is there now. And so for those who don't know how this works, it's real simple. So the first thing you want to do, you see these lines right here, you put the key in there, and it does have an actual key for the door for the driver's side, but you pretty much just put it in and you pop off just like this. So that being it, just like that, it opens up. The key battery is right here. Then you can always take the key if you don't have any nails, and pop it off just like that. Old battery out. You got to make sure the plus sign is facing down, just like that. Alright, so just like that, the new battery is in. So just flip this back in and close it. Simple as that, really not that hard. But at the same time, for those who aren't familiar with these keys, you know, that just shows you how it's done, how to replace a key inside a Charger or a 300 remote, and pretty much other somewhat similar remotes. Just pop the middle apart and the key should be right there, and then you just put the actual key back into its place, and we are good to go. So fresh battery, it is working just fine. But that's pretty much it for the video. Just got back from HEB because, as y'all know, my power was out for 48 hours, and I'm not really going to trust the food, so I'm just going to go ahead and chunk it. Well, I'm not going to chunk it. My wife's looking for a place that we can donate it to, like a wildlife place. That way it doesn't go to total waste. So, you know, animals will be able to eat it and enjoy it. So it's not a total waste, but it is. But it all depends on how you see it. That being said, really hope y'all enjoyed. I know it's a small, short video, but again, I'm trying to get videos out as much as I can throughout I am off this weekend, so if I can make, if the weather is a great weather tomorrow, nice and warm, I'm going to pop the new decal on, so I'll be coming out with that video. Have a lot of videos coming out. Wednesday, I'm trying to convince her to look at the car, some of the cars I looked at to get a second car. And this one needs to go in for an oil change, so I'm going to do two things at once while we're waiting, and probably test out some cars here and there. So like I said before, I really want her to get a car. And but yeah, I'm going to be doing the air filter, and then there's a cabin filter that needs to also be done, so I'm probably going to do those on my own. instead of get the dealership to do it like normal. That way, you know, I got some content, good content going, showing that I can work on my own car and stuff like that. I'm not going to say I know everything that has to do with cars, you know. I only know what I've learned throughout the years and stuff like that. I don't know a lot of about cars, but I do know some about cars. So, you know, I'm not a guy that knows everything about cars. I'm not going to say I do because I really don't. I only know so much. I know when it comes to detailing, oh yeah, I could definitely tell you I know about a lot about detailing and stuff like that. You know, I work at a dealership as a detailer. Yeah, that's true. But I'm not going to say I know everything about detailing either. But I know a lot compared to working on cars, you know. I only know the things I'm comfortable with and work on. So that's when I make a video for y'all. Unless I don't know something, I pretty much just take it to the dealership, you know, and get things done that way. The oil change is coming up. I really don't want to do it. So, like, work on it on my own. So I'm just going to take it to the dealership. That way they can look at all the fluids and everything to make sure everything's 100%. That being said, I really hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all comment down below for my wife about a new car for her. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope everybody's staying safe, warm. I mean, it's starting to heat up again, so subscribe, turn on notifications. We are almost at 200, so please keep sharing the videos for those who have been. Thank you for the newest people that have subscribed. Welcome. Things are going to be getting a lot more interesting. I know I've said that many times, but I just haven't been making videos because y'all know from my previous video about my wife getting out of the hospital, making sure she's okay and all that. So she's getting there. It's taking time. It's going to take time to heal, the doctor said. So, you know, I'm not going to rush her for anything and stuff like that. So, you know, it's going to happen when it happens. And then I'm trying to get videos while I can, while I'm off and stuff like that. So, like, tomorrow, I'm going to try to get the decal put on. Hopefully, the weather is a lot warmer than it is right now. That way, the sticker can really stick on and not have a chance to be cold and then it start to peel off. But yeah, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will see you on the next video. Peace. Rage on that beat, going crazy.